Excel is a powerful tool that helps us organize and analyze data. By mastering Excel function can be a real challenge. So in this video, we would show you some fun and interesting way to use the if, count, and CountIF functions to make your life easy. So let's start with the if function. What is if function? It is a conditional statement or a conditional function that allows you to make decision based on a certain condition. For example, let's say we have a list of students and their grade, as you can see on my screen, and we want to find out who passed the exam and who failed. Definitely, we will use the if function to achieve on this. So let's start. Firstly, we want to know the total. And as I said in my previous video, you use the sum function to know the total. And before you start anything in Excel calculation operation, you need to start with the equal to sign. So let's say equal to sum, open a bracket, and we highlight everything under success and close the bracket, and you press enter. It calculates everything for us in this table. Now we are going to be introducing the if function to know the grades, who passed and who didn't pass. So what do we say? We start with an equal to if, open a bracket. So according to what you can see on my screen, it says logical test, then follows by value if true and value if false. Now, we want to know who got an A, who got a B, a C, a D, or an F. We are using the if function. So, what's our logical test? We start with the total. Now, if total is greater than or equal to 70, what's now the value if true? The value if true is that the person got an A. Then we close it and introduce another if and say, if the person got greater than or equal to 60, greater than equal or equal to 60, the person got a B. Then we still introduce an if function. If also person got a grade greater than or equal to 50, then what happens? The person got a C. And then if the person got greater than or equal to, if the person, open a bracket, the person got greater than or equal to 40, then the person got a B. Else, what happens? The person got an F. Then you close the bracket how many times? You see, the first person got an A. So how do you get the others that to know their grades? You just drag down and you see that those that got A, the first person got an A, second person got a C, B, A, and the others got an F. Did you get that? So that is how you get the grade of students. Then we move on to the CountIF functions. Now I want to know the number of first semester and second semesters in this table. Let's say you have a wide range of values in a table or a sheet given to you, and you do not want to count manually. You use the CountIF function by saying equal to CountIF, open a bracket, and say what's the range? This is the range. And what's the criteria? Criteria is first semester, and close it. It's telling us already that we have A4 in this table. And if you manually count it, you will see we are having A4 in the table. If you drag it down to give you A3. Now, if we also want to get the total first semester and second semester in this table. We still do the same thing. Let's just try it. Equal to CountIF, open a bracket, this is my range, comma, open a parenthesis, and open quotes, first semester, just as it is written, close, then sorry, I didn't close this. So I would now want to put a sum here. So the total number, and it's giving me a 7, and we have 7 inputs, like first semester to second semester. If you count manually on your screen, it's giving you 7. Now if you want to do count, the count function, I would say equal to count, open a bracket, and I want to know the total number of inputs that I have given here. It's telling me that I have inputted 35. So we see how easy this makes our lives to be. By mastering this simple Excel function, you can save time and also impress your boss. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give it a try. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tutorial. And feel free to leave a comment with any question and feedback. Happy excelling!